Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Ideogram AI. So first thing, go to Ideogram AI and this will be their homepage. So in order for you to continue using their site, you have to sign in into an account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account over here. Now, once you are signed in, just simply select I agree and continue. And now from here, it will show a pop-up where you can upload an image of you. So for now, we're gonna go for describe what you want to see. So from here, let's say I'm gonna go for giraffe in the forest. So guys, from here, you could go for the aspect ratio over here and you can change it. And you will have here multiple models. So from here, you could also have magic prompt and you could have the style over here and you could have the color as well. So for now, I'm not going to change anything and just simply select generate. And after that, you should be able to have here multiple samples. So now from here, we have 4 samples. Or what we could try to do is just simply go to the left side over here, which is our creation. So as of now, this is all of our creation. Now from here, you could simply select describe over here and you will have a description of the image. And from here, you could have remix and you could also download it over here on the top right corner of the screen. And now guys, remember that the more specific your prompt are, the better the results. And pretty much over here, this is just a very basic example of ideogram. And you will have here canvas as well on the left side. From here guys, on the canvas, this will act like a whiteboard. So from here, you could change the position, you could add some text, and you could add some other photos. So pretty much over here, this is a whiteboard sample. Now, if you want to go back, just simply select the icon on the top left. So pretty much that's it. You could just simply go ahead and provide a prompt over here. And if you want to upload an image, you could just simply upload it over here for a reference and AI will use it for the reference. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.